Hey guys, so I'm here because I decided to film a video showing you my downtown studio so you guys could get a feel of what a studio looks like in Southern California in downtown Long Beach, but also some tips and tricks so you could spruce it up a bit affordably and also be able to add some touches of flair such as wallpapers, backdrop, things that you can actually take off when you're ready to move so you can get your deposit money back. So without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and show you my studio. When you first enter my studio apartment, you'll notice my living room, which is straight ahead. But first I'm gonna go ahead and show you my bedroom area. So as you can see, that's my front door. When you're living in a small space, you have to be very efficient where you're putting your things. So that's why I decided to get the over-the-door rack that holds my ironing board. So now to the right of the door is my bedroom area. So this brick looks amazing, right? Well, it's not real. It's peel and stick wallpaper that I did get from Amazon, and I just put that up myself. I do have a little texture to the walls, so it actually stuck very well. I decided to do brick because I honestly love open-faced brick, and it just adds warmth to the place, so I'm in love with it. And it's peel and stick, so it'll be easy to take off when I'm ready to move. So this is my bedroom area. I have this side table that I got from IKEA, and the gold little knob is from Amazon as well. And my headboard is from Wayfair because I wanted the black against that brick because I really think it pops out. So, and this lamp I got from IKEA, and it's supposed to be a wall lamp, but I just didn't want to put any holes in the wall, so I just kind of clamped it on the headboard, as you can see. So yeah, it works. And this beautiful fan I got when I took a trip to China. So yeah, this is my bedroom area, rug I also got from IKEA. Also, another tip is just to put some bed risers under your bed so you're able to store some things since this place doesn't have any storage. And under my bed, I actually have this drawer that I got from IKEA that rolls right under, and I put all of my towels and linens and things like that right there. So it does save some space. And I have this standing mirror as well. I feel like it fit very well in the place. And yeah, that is my bedroom area, as you can see. So my IKEA dresser is basically my room divider, and it also helps me store my clothes, of course. And these gold knobs, like I mentioned, on my nightstand are from IKEA, and I feel like it just spruced it up some more, adds a little bit of uniqueness, and really my whole color scheme of my apartment is white. It's neutrals with pops of gold. Now here I have basically my little vanity, and it actually works perfectly because I still have room to open my drawers. But yes, I have my little vanity right here, this mirror, I got from Target, which I really loved. I just like how it's circular. It's still part of that gold bronze theme, and it just works really perfectly. So this is basically where I do my makeup, and I also have my bench that just goes right under to save some space. So my living room could be a little bit more open. So that's my little makeup vanity area. So right here is my Alex drawer that was from IKEA. My last place was much larger, so I had 2 Alex drawers and then a desktop that was part of my vanity. But I decided to keep one of my drawers since I could house a lot of my skincare, makeup, and miscellaneous things in these drawers. So I decided to make it my side table. And I have my lamp that I got from HomeGoods. And then I have this picture that I have just leaning against there because, again, I didn't really want to put more holes in the wall, so I thought that was a perfect place. And then I'm going to back up a bit. And you see my couch I got from Living Spaces. And then this I just honestly love, the living room area. And it's a pretty good space too, as you guys can see. So my bed is right here, the dresser as the divide, and then the living room. So this coffee table I honestly love. I wanted a clear coffee table, so either glass or acrylic, just to break up all of the white furniture. And honestly, I love this. I got the glass coffee table from Wayfair, and I got the tray from HomeGoods, which I really lucked out. And then, my coffee table book, the Tom Ford, and I got these fake flowers from HomeGoods as well. But basically everything on my coffee table is from HomeGoods besides the actual coffee table and the Tom Ford book that I got on Amazon. And everything I would also link below if you guys are interested in anything like the decor that you see in my apartment today. So, oh, and then the carpet is the rug is from Wayfair as well. And this poof that I added just for some more sitting space, since this is basically a love seat, was from TJ Maxx or Marshall's, one of those. So if you guys know anything about California, you know that it is difficult finding a place that either comes with a fridge, so you don't have to rent one, or that's a full-size fridge and not a dorm-size fridge like we're 19. So I was pretty grateful to find this apartment that had a full-size fridge and a full-size stove, okay? Because those little mini stoves can't do anything. Like I can't with those little mini stoves. Like, what do you do with that? So, yeah, I was pretty happy to have a full-size fridge and stove. But so let me back up so you guys can see the kitchen. So, yeah, I have a pretty large kitchen. So you guys can see. And I'm just happy because they have a lot of cabinets in here. So a good amount of cabinet space. So this is my sink area, window right here. I don't really have to explain too much about this. Cole's dog bowls. And right here, I liked it because, again, there was a lot of storage space. I have my mason jars with beans and all that and oats in there. This is where the microwave is. This, that third shelf down is where I keep my crock pot, which isn't there right now, NutriBullet, things like that. And then this lower little cabinet, this lower opening is for all of Cole's millions of toys, his food and all that. Now over here, as you can see, this little accent kitchen wall. These are Pill and Stick as well that I got from Amazon. It was just a blank wall. Again, I'll add some before photos but I decided to add this peel and stick type of tile. As you can see, it's easy to wipe down as well, and it really just adds something to the place, which I really enjoy. And yep, some more cabinet space. And this is my little eat sign. Now some people could see this as saying fat. Some of my friends came in the kitchen saying, wow, I have a fat sign, which is pretty hilarious. But really it says eat if I like put this up here, but I think it's kind of funny that people think it says fat right in the kitchen, so I'm keeping it right there. So yes, this is my kitchen. So now this is the part that I was pretty disappointed about, but you know, what can you do? This is the closet. So I'm gonna basically have a separate video on capsule wardrobes, since it's a very small closet, how to organize it, things of that sort. So I'm just gonna briefly like just go into my closet for a second, but it doesn't have a door, so that's why I put this curtain up, so when company's over I can just go ahead and close that so people aren't all in my closet. But let me turn the light on. So this is my closet right here. Like I said, it's a very small walk-in. I actually added these shelves up top so it can house my shoes so they're not just all on the floor. Like I have all my hats back there. But again, I'm gonna do a separate video about like organization in a small closet and capsule wardrobe. So yes, that's basically my closet right here. So then we're gonna come in to my bathroom. Let me just come out a little bit so you can see. So I wanted a pretty feminine bathroom, so that's why I opted to kind of go with the rose gold kind of feel and look. So I got this shower curtain from Bed Bath & Beyond for like 10 bucks, and I actually got these little hand towels with little rhinestones on it for pretty cheap too. I think I got that from Home Goods or Marshalls. And then my little laundry basket that's all crooked because it got smushed in my car, but I got that from Marshalls as well. And I really liked the shower because of this shower head, which is super huge. Kind of reminded me of like a hotel shower. So yeah, you know, I really find bathrooms, kitchens, and closets pretty important when I'm looking for apartments. But again, it's hard to find everything you want in California. That's not over $2,000. So yeah, I had to kind of settle with that closet space, but we're gonna make it work, and I'm gonna also film about it. Here's my shelf that I got from Wayfair, I believe. So yeah, I just put a few things on here. And then I got this cute little nail polish painting from Marshalls, I think. And here is my sink. So this sink was originally black, which I'll include a picture. But I put this marble contact paper that I also got from Amazon down, which definitely spruced it up because I wasn't really filling the sink before. So I feel like this marble contact paper was pretty good. It was a little difficult at times because it's very sticky, but I still think it's beautiful. And yeah, so this is my sink cabinets, which are great because I have, you know, lotions, toilet paper, cotton balls, all that stuff down there. So, and then my rugs are pretty neutral. I got that from the rugs from I think Amazon as well. And then I put some hooks on the back of my door to just have my robe, hang towels, all that good stuff. So yeah, my bathroom. So that concludes my studio apartment tour. Remember, you can always buy peel and stick wallpaper and tile just to add some more decor and individualism to your apartment that will not damage the walls. And everything that I mentioned will be linked below. I definitely plan to get some more videos out for you all about really everything: fashion, beauty, organization, capsule wardrobes, life. Just 2019 is definitely a year that I'm very inspired and feeling very creative. So just let me know what you guys are interested in, and until next time, I hope you liked this tour and I will see you later. Bye.